beauties, welcome back to Lithu's nail art designs. Today I am creating an elegant and classic nail art design. Perfect if you want something timeless, elegant and full of love. We can do this design on short nails too. So grab your favorite nail polish and let's get started. If you guys want to know how I take care of my nails, say in the comments. I will be applying this nude light shade as the base coat. For short nails, any color will look great. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for getting to know about beginner friendly nail art designs. Choose a base color that complements your design. I have chosen white color for drawing the design.